Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth and last Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Tuesday, January the 19th, 2021. The last Sudoku will be a tectonic one, tectonic with 4 stars, and this will be a number 20190. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. There are a lot of printed digits. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright. Sometimes I have 13, sometimes I have 9. This time 15. Alright. So let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here single box. Single box is always a 1. That means all the boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So here we have 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. A duo box, 1 and a 2. The 1 is already filled in, so this should be a 2. That means those 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes are left in this area also for the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left. No. I have here 1. So these 2 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. Alright. How about well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Wow, the single box, I have missed this single box, overlooked. Single box is always a 1. Alright, so 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright, that means this box cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, but also this box cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These two boxes can be a 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. And so it's a pair. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. The 3 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Well. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 2 and this should be a 1. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. Alright. 3 to 4. Okay. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. Well, we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. Alright. This box cannot be a 5, cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. And that means that these two boxes cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. That box can also not be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Okay, I think this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This is a quadra box. So the 4 and the 3 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place a 4 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then well. Let me think. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. The 3 and the 5 are missing. Yes, we see here. The 3 and the 5 are missing. We see here 3, so this box cannot be a 3. We see here 5. This box cannot be a 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 3. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be the 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 2 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. Triple box. Triple box. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we need to wait for the 3. Alright. Let me see. I think I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Alright. So now we have a 1 here. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this can be 1 anymore. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes. And there. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes, and there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 boxes left. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there, and the 5 is missing. 5 could be everywhere. We have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. And 1 box left for the 5. Completed in 12 minutes. Alright. Great. Tectonic. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, boys and girls, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Wednesday, January the 20th. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye for now. Have a great day.